Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of this painting kit. So I hope you all will enjoy this. So let's open this kit. As you all know, this kit was my birthday gift my friend. So it is opening without any scissors, so I'm opening it without any instrument or scissor. So I think it's wonderful. So first of all, there is a oil pastel pack of 12 shades. Now I forgot to tell you what's inside it, so you can see it that what inside it is from here. Now we will see a glitter pack of 6 colors. There's our Camlin pencil colors and Camlin pencil colors 12 shades. There is 24 shades Camlin watercolors. I was not having any watercolor yet, so I was having watercolor but no watercolor cakes, so it's very nice. Now there is a wax crayon of Camel extra long 12 shades, and so it is also very nice. And there is a 36 pages Camlin book of drawing sheets. The drawing sheets pages are very nice, as you can see it, so they are beautiful. So this was what inside it. So I'm just keeping them. As you all have seen what inside it is, so I hope this was nice, and please comment down, are you having this and how was the video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe.